Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home. Here's how you can refresh any wall without painting. It will be clean, free from dust and dirt. It turns out that Swiffer isn't just great for cleaning floors. I've discovered another excellent use for it, and I'm sure you'll start using it too. Cleaning your home has never been this enjoyable. Start by grabbing your Swiffer and attaching a dry dusting cloth to it. Thoroughly wipe down the walls. You might not see it with the naked eye, but they really are dusty. Just take a look at the cloth afterward. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and add a bit of dish soap. Prepare it as if you were about to mop the floor. Take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the soapy water, and then wring it out well. It's important not to apply too much water to the wall. Now, attach the microfiber cloth to the Swiffer and use it to wash the wall. You'll clean it thoroughly without much effort. You can see that besides dust, my wall had some dirt too. Now it looks as if it has just been freshly painted. I sprinkle my mop with blue powder and blue liquid. My floor shines for a long time. This combination creates a thick, active foam that easily tackles dirt and greasy stains. The foam reaches every corner, so there's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated cleaning. The entire floor becomes shiny after just one wipe, and after cleaning it doesn't just shine, it smells amazing too. This method works better than most store-bought cleaners and doesn't require harsh chemicals. When pouring the used water into the toilet, you can see how cloudy and full of dirt it is, proof of how effective this technique is. The secret? The mysterious blue powder is simply laundry detergent, and the blue liquid is dish soap. Try this trick, and you'll see how easy it is to get a perfectly clean, shiny, and fresh-smelling floor. A way to stop your rug from slipping. It doesn't matter whether you have a large rug or a small hallway runner. While they differ in size, they share one annoying trait. They love to slide around under your feet. This frustrating problem can even lead to injuries. But here's a genius trick that will save you money. Some people use double-sided tape to keep rugs in place, but that solution can damage the floor. Instead, ordinary plastic wrap, something everyone has in their kitchen, comes to the rescue. It may sound strange, but don't be fooled. This trick really works. Simply tear off a piece of plastic wrap and place it under your rug. That's it. Your rug will no longer bunch up or slide around. This simple hack will save you stress and money, and your rug will stay perfectly in place from now on. Cleaning your home has never been this easy and enjoyable. No more climbing ladders. First, grab a bucket and fill it with about a liter of lukewarm water. Add some dishwasher rinse aid. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared mixture, then wring it out well. Now, simply attach the cloth to your Swiffer mop. Use this to clean your windows. No need for a ladder. Just rinse the cloth occasionally for the best results. Since discovering this trick, I've completely stopped using window cleaner. It also works wonders in the bathroom. The rinse aid makes tiles shine beautifully and is perfect for cleaning shower doors. After using it, water won't leave streaks. It will just slide right off. You have to try it yourself. I'm sure you'll love it. Try these floor cleaning methods, and you'll feel like you could eat off the floor. Start by adding a laundry pod to a bucket, followed by a handful of laundry beads. Pour in hot water and clean your floor as usual. This homemade solution is not only effective, but also smells amazing. For a fresh twist, add cinnamon to the bucket, Mix thoroughly and mop your floor. Another option is to prepare tea, pour it into the bucket with water, and mop as usual. For a deeper clean, mix baking soda, dish soap, detergent, and fabric softener in the bucket. Add vinegar, pour in boiling water, and let it cool before mopping. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. Pour this on the floor, and it will shine like a mirror. Grab a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt, which will enhance the effect of the other ingredients. Measure and pour in about 100 milliliters of laundry detergent. Choose one with your favorite scent for a pleasant aroma while cleaning. Laundry detergent helps remove dirt and stains from surfaces. Next, add 100 milliliters of vinegar, a natural cleaner that also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will provide extra cleaning power and leave your surfaces shiny and fresh. Mix everything thoroughly. Use a funnel to transfer the mixture into a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easier application. Remember to shake well before each use. Pour the liquid on the floor, grab a mop, and clean away. Your floor will shine without any harsh chemicals, and there won't be a single streak. You can also use this mixture to clean kitchen countertops. Put a sock on your broom and discover a brilliant trick that will save you time and money. All you need is a regular broom and a sock that fits over its head. Now grab your favorite fabric softener. It has a surprising use. Pour a little onto the sock and spread it evenly on both sides. This simple hack will turn your broom into a powerful cleaning tool. Run it over your carpet, and you'll see how effectively it picks up dust, pet hair, and other small debris. Your carpet will be cleaner, fresher, and won't require expensive cleaning. The sock also works great on walls, as its soft texture easily removes dust and cobwebs from hard-to-reach places. A broom with a fabric softener sock is also perfect for mopping floors, especially in tight corners. Plus, fabric softener has anti-static properties, so dust settles more slowly. This method is simple, effective, and budget-friendly. No need for costly carpet cleaning, expensive detergents, or new accessories. Just a sock, a broom, and a little fabric softener.